Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start chapter 6, Greenland, a land in the tundra region. All of you open your book on page number 38. So before starting the chapter, let's revise the location of all the latitudes. Okay, so we already done during first term. During first term, you can see the date here. I mentioned the date. So we revised, we have studied the location of all the important latitudes. So main latitudes are there: equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, then Antarctic Circle. Okay, so 90° North Pole, then 90° South Pole. Okay, so these are the important latitudes we have studied during first term. So here is the location of Arctic Circle: 66° north to 90° North Pole. 66° north to 90° North Pole. It is the location of Arctic Circle. So this region is freezed. This is known as freezed zone. Freezed zone means it is also called tundra, polar region. So today we will study about the Greenland, the land located in the freezed zone in the Arctic Circle. Okay, so let us look at the book. Here in this map you can see the green area. This is the green area. It is island. Island means a piece of land that is covered by water, from all sides. Here you can see this is the bluish area. So bluish area shows water. So name the water body here. Yes, it is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Atlantic Ocean. So Greenland is an island that is covered by water from all sides. Okay, so now today we will study in this chapter Greenland, a land in the tundra region. Here you can see the location of this. It is in the from book you can read. The map of North America shows the tundra region that lies between 66° north to 90° north. Already we have seen through the picture, through that diagram and through map. Okay, so you have to keep it in your mind that the location of Greenland, location of tundra region is 66° north to 90° north. Okay, so it is known by many names such as freezed zone. Already we have studied through the diagram. Then polar region, then tundra region. Okay, so there are three names. Greenland is a territory of Denmark and lies in this region. So it is a part of Denmark. Okay, so it is a part of Denmark. You have to keep it in your mind. Then location. Most part of the Greenland lies in the north of the Arctic Circle. The nearest continent to the Greenland is North America. So here the nearest continent, you can see the nearest continent is North America. Okay, the nearest continent to the Greenland is North America and Europe. Okay, Europe is also, we can say, nearest. Okay, so next it lies towards the northeast of North America. Greenland is only 650 kilometers away from the North Pole. Okay, so North Pole 90°, na? North Pole, this line is called North Pole. So it is 650 kilometer away. ये कितना दूर है कहता है 650 kilometers away from the North Pole. So it is largest island in the world. You can see this is also the island, है ना? These are also small islands. But Greenland is the largest island in the world. Okay, so this is the internal question. Name the largest island in the world. You can write the Greenland. Okay, the Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. Here these are the parts of Canada. Okay, so this water body okay, this water body is known as Baffin Bay, and these water bodies are known as Davis Strait separates Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. So these are the northern islands of Canada. So these water bodies, this water body, name this water body Baffin Bay. Then Davis Strait, these water bodies separate Greenland from the northern islands of Canada. Okay, next let us revise this term Keyword tundra. Tundra is a vast treeless Arctic region where the subsoil is frozen. Subsoil, अब subsoil का मीनिंग क्या है? सब मीन्स द पार्ट ऑफ द प्रीवियस, है ना. सब पार्ट वी हम कहते हैं ना, सब पार्ट, सब क्वेश्चंस. तो सब सॉइल, सॉइल का ही पार्ट है ना. तो सॉइल एक तो है हमारी सॉइल, जो हमारी हम सॉइल देखते हैं कवर है ना. उसके बाद उस सॉइल को भी एक और लेयर ने कवर करके रखा हुआ है, वो है आइस, है ना. तो उसको कहते हैं सब सॉइल. क्लियर. सो टुंड्रा, अ वास्ट treeless Arctic region where the subsoil is frozen. So it is totally frozen land. Okay. Now relief features. So I think we will study this in the next video, otherwise this video will go lengthy. So you have to revise all this and find the answers of A part and matching and true false.